What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Building Things from Pallet Wood series. And yes, I did say series. This video is the second of 5 episodes, and last video was the first one. And once again, I'm going to show you another low-cost, high-profit build from Pallet Wood. Let's not waste any time and jump right into the video. There we go, we got one down. Second one complete. Now we can just use a hammer and bang these nails out. There we go. Next thing we need to do is take off this side. We're gonna cut it here, and then bang it out, and we're gonna use that. So let's get started. If you have a 2x4, you can just cut the shape out. And if you only had a pallet, this is how it would be done. All right, we got through on that side. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is get an old scrap piece of wood, put that there, and then we can use your hammer and bang this thing off. Why I put this piece of wood right here is because I'm trying to save this piece and try not to dent it. Now that we got all the pieces out of the pallet, we get to cut them to size and then assemble it. All right, now we need to take this piece that we got off from the side of the pallet, and we're gonna measure from right here up 5 inches and cut off the end right here. We'll do that for both sides. Now we're gonna measure from right here up another 6 inches and cut it there. All right, now we're gonna cut 3 of these pieces at 24 inches. This project could also be done with 1x4s and 2x4s. And to make consistent cuts, we're gonna stack one piece on top of the other. All right, now I have this 1 inch by 1/2 inch piece, I think, but we're gonna cut this down to 24 inches too. You'll find out what this is later. All right, there we go. We got all the pieces cut. Now we can assemble it. All right, we got these 1 inch nails right here. Let's get this thing assembled. We'll measure at 1 inch from right here again, and that's where we're gonna put the bottom of our first board. Now we'll flip it up, and we'll nail one to the top right here. And we'll nail one right here where it's flush with the top. Now we'll give it a massage with some 120 grit on the orbital. The good thing about making rustic things is you don't really have to sand it much or add any finish. Well, there we go. No need to slap any finish on it. We just made a towel holder. What you do, of course, grab a hand towel and you just loop it over here, just like that. As you can see in the screenshot right here, it sells for upwards of $60, and that is insane. And you could probably get more profit by personalizing it too. We made this just from a pallet. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more just like this, go to my Woodworking playlist, and I'll put that right here. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.